Welcome, skincare enthusiasts! Today we dive into the world of vitamin C serums, a skincare marvel that is revolutionizing our skincare routines. In the ever-evolving realm of skincare, one product that has swiftly climbed to the top of the must-have list is the vitamin C serum. These potent little potions have become a non-negotiable part of our daily skincare ritual, and for good reason. The secret to their meteoric rise lies in the undeniable results they deliver. Let's take it from the expert. Dermatologist Dr. Karan Lal sings praises of vitamin C as a topical antioxidant with a plethora of benefits. It's a champion in reducing hyperpigmentation, a vital supporter of various cellular processes, and a promoter of naturally glowing skin. Moreover, it's a warrior, valiantly fighting off the free radicals we encounter every day. But remember, every superhero has its kryptonite. For vitamin C, it's an allergic reaction in some individuals. This is why it's crucial to perform a patch test on a small area of your skin before you go all in with the serum on your face. This is especially important if your skin leans towards the sensitive side. Now that we've established the importance of vitamin C serums and the precautions to take before using them, it's time to explore some of the best ones in the market. Each serum comes with its unique formula, benefits, and drawbacks. We'll dive into these details to help you make an informed decision about which one suits you best. So, are you ready to embark on this journey to radiant skin? Let's delve deeper into the world of vitamin C serums, where we'll explore their benefits and drawbacks. We'll start with the Roche Posay 10% Pure Vitamin C Serum, followed by the Vince Vitamin C Serum, and finally, the CeraVe Vitamin C Serum. Let's now delve deeper into some of the top vitamin C serums in the market and explore their benefits and drawbacks. Starting with La Roche-Posay 10% Pure Vitamin C Serum, a product that is making waves in the skincare community. This serum is packed with pure vitamin C and salicylic acid, a dynamic duo that brightens and smoothens the skin. It also has hyaluronic acid, a star ingredient known for its hydrating and plumping effect, giving your skin a youthful glow. The benefits of this serum are numerous. It helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, enhancing your skin's texture and tone. It's also a great choice for those with sensitive skin, thanks to its gentle yet effective formula. Plus, its lightweight texture is quickly absorbed, letting you move on with your skincare routine without missing a beat. But like all products, it does have a few drawbacks. The formula contains fragrance, which might not sit well with everyone. It also leaves a bit of residue, which might require some getting used to. Now, let's talk about the key ingredients. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, fights off free radicals and brightens the skin. Hyaluronic acid, a powerful hydrator, locks in moisture for a plump and dewy complexion. Lastly, salicylic acid, a known acne fighter, reduces oiliness and prevents breakouts. While it has a few drawbacks, its benefits make it a worthy contender in our list. With the La Roche-Posay 10% Pure Vitamin C Serum, you're not just investing in a product, but a promise of brighter, healthier skin. Next on our list is the Vince Vitamin C Serum, a powerful anti-aging skincare product. This serum is a game changer in the world of skincare, containing a potent mix of L-ascorbic, ferulic, and hyaluronic acid. Just a few drops are enough to work wonders, reducing dark spots and firming up your skin to give it that youthful glow. The Vince Vitamin C Serum has a lightweight texture that absorbs instantly into your skin without leaving a greasy residue. It's designed to fade dark spots, firm up your skin, improve the texture, and promote an even tone. The result? Skin that feels smooth, renewed, and looks visibly brighter. Now, let's talk benefits. This serum is lightweight and non-greasy, making it easy and comfortable to use. It works to boost your skin's radiance and brighten your complexion. Plus, it can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving you that youthful, vibrant look. But no product is perfect, so let's look at the drawbacks. The main issue with this serum is that vitamin C can lose its effectiveness due to exposure to light and air. So, make sure to store it properly and use it within its shelf life. In terms of key ingredients, We've got L-ascorbic and ferulic acids along with hyaluronic acid. These ingredients work together to offer a comprehensive skincare solution that targets multiple issues at once. A bit pricey, but for its multitude of benefits, it's definitely worth a try. Last, but certainly not least, is the CeraVe Vitamin C Serum, a skincare product that is gentle yet effective. This serum is a beacon of hope for those seeking to improve their skin's radiance and overall health. And here's why. The CeraVe Vitamin C Serum is packed with vitamin C, an essential component of any skincare routine. It's known for offering powerful antioxidant protection against environmental damage, such as pollution and UV radiation. But the benefits don't stop there. This serum also visibly reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone, making it a key player in any anti-aging skincare regimen. The magic of this serum lies in its unique formulation. It combines 3 essential ceramides, which are lipids that help form the skin's barrier and help skin retain moisture. These ceramides work alongside vitamin C to restore your skin's protective barrier and give it a more youthful and vibrant appearance. The CeraVe Vitamin C Serum also includes moisturizing hyaluronic acid and soothing vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a powerhouse ingredient that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, providing your skin with an intense burst of hydration. On the other hand, vitamin B5 has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe your skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Despite all these benefits, it's important to note that no product is perfect. While the CeraVe Vitamin C Serum is generally well tolerated, some users have reported a slight tingling sensation upon application. It's always a good idea to carry out a patch test before applying a new product to your entire face. In terms of key ingredients, the CeraVe Vitamin C Serum boasts a potent blend of vitamin C, essential ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin B5. This powerhouse combination works together to improve your skin's radiance, reduce signs of aging, and offer a boost of hydration. Despite a few drawbacks, the CeraVe Vitamin C Serum is a top choice for those seeking to improve their skin's radiance and overall health. So, if you're looking for a skincare product that delivers results, this serum is definitely worth considering. Let's wrap up by summarizing what we've learned about these top vitamin C serums. Starting with La Roche-Posay, it's a formula enriched with hyaluronic acid and salicylic acid, great for brightening, hydrating, and reducing skin's oiliness. However, it does contain fragrance and may leave a residue on the face. Next up, we have the Vince Vitamin C Serum. It's a non-greasy, lightweight formula that boosts your skin's radiance and brightens your complexion. But remember, it can lose its effectiveness due to exposure to light and air. Lastly, we discussed the CeraVe Vitamin C Serum, a gentle formula that restores your skin's protective barrier and visibly reduces signs of aging. It's a hydrating serum thanks to the inclusion of hyaluronic acid. Each of these serums has its unique strengths and potential drawbacks, so it's all about finding the one that fits your skincare needs. Remember, the perfect skincare routine is the one that works best for you. Keep glowing and stay tuned for more skincare tips and reviews.